Here are 10 more tips to get in shape considerably quicker. Have a high-protein breakfast. Having a high-protein breakfast has been appeared to diminish desires and calorie allow for the duration of the day. Keep away from sugary beverages and natural product juice. These are the most swelling things you can put into your body, and maintaining a strategic distance from them can enable you to get more fit. Drink water a half hour before dinners. One examination demonstrated that drinking water a half hour before suppers expanded weight reduction by 44% more than 3 months. Pick weight reduction cordial sustenances. Certain nourishments are exceptionally valuable for losing fat. Here is a rundown of the 20 most weight reduction amicable nourishments on Earth. Eat dissolvable fiber. Studies demonstrate that dissolvable filaments may diminish fat, particularly in the stomach territory. Fiber supplements like glucomannan can likewise encourage. Drink espresso or tea. On the off chance that you're an espresso or tea consumer, drink as much as you need, as the caffeine can in them support your digestion by 3 to 11%. Eat for the most part entire, natural sustenances. Base a large portion of your eating routine on entire sustenances. They are more advantageous, all the more filling and considerably less prone to cause indulging. Eat your nourishment gradually. Quick eaters put on more weight after some time. Eating gradually makes you feel all the more full and lifts weight-decreasing hormones. Gauge yourself consistently. Studies demonstrate that individuals who gauge themselves consistently are significantly more liable to get more fit and keep it off for quite a while. Get a decent night's rest each night. Poor rest is one of the most grounded hazard factors for weight gain, so dealing with your rest is essential.